Hi, it's Ed at Aberco. I wanted to make a short video here to kind of clarify or try and clarify how this new cancel feature works with the new computer. If y'all have a SA-21, you're familiar with this, that normally would come around and hit a lever switch and stop the cycle. That's been replaced with this sensor board. There's a tiny little sensor there. And in this cam on the end there's a magnet. You can grab that magnet with a pair of pliers and pull it out. And then there's a set screw that you just loosen so you can rotate that around, and then the magnet, just stick it back in there and it, magnetically hangs onto that set screw. So that's what keeps it in place, and you just got to pull out to adjust it. Got to be careful when you adjust this. If you come up too high, I think if you really try, that magnet can come around and hit that little sensor. And if you hit that little sensor, you're going to have to pay for a new sensor board most likely. So make sure when you adjust it, you roll it around by hand. If you get too far away from the sensor, it won't pick it up. So you're looking a quarter of an inch, eighth of an inch to a quarter of an inch as it comes around. So just make sure those screws are good and tight, that it can't slip. If it does slip, it's not going to go up towards it at any rate. But yeah, quarter of an inch should be good. And if you're too far away, you'll know it, because when it goes around, it won't stop. And you'll see as it comes by, you'll see a light come on as it passes it. And then everything else works the same up here on your control panel. The roll light and all that stuff, that's the same. The nice thing about this, to adjust it, and I'll try and get a picture of it. It's on a tablet, which I'm out in the sun. It's my front yard. It's a beautiful California day. It's the only reason I live here. Let's see if I can get a picture. Oh, I lost it. Anyways, on your control panel, there's the last adjustment on it. You have all your normal first fill, second fill, all those lights the same. There's it says timing, so you can advance or retard this timing. So as this cam comes around and the sensor picks it up out here, you can change it to stop like immediately, or you can have it time it go past it. So you can make fine adjustments to where the mold's starting to stop. So what we like to do, the adjustment on the timing goes from 0 to 0.5. So if you set it at 0.25, right in the middle, that gives you the latitude to retard or advance the timing to fine tune your mold position. So if you set it at 0.25, and then set your cam where the molds stop where you want them to stop. So right now I already adjusted this one. So that's where the cam is. It's almost coming around a full revolution before it stops. But from this position right here, I can advance or retard the timing to change the mold stopping and starting positions dramatically. The adjustment is really fine. It's a little bar on the control panel on the tablet, or if you're using your phone, and you just move it a tenth and it'll change the position of the molds. It's a pretty fine-tuned adjustment. It's pretty neat, actually. But that's what it looks like. I mean, that's a normal starting position, and that's where the cam is. So it's going to come by almost immediately and hit that sensor, but the sensor is going to delay the stop until it comes all the way over to here again. So from that, I can change, retard or stop, advance the timing. So the molds, if they needed to stop here for some reason, or here if it's a different set. So as you change between mold sets that may have a different starting position, you don't have to mess around with this. You can just go into the timing on your tablet and adjust it, retard it or advance it, so they start and stop where you want them to. I hope that makes sense. It's not rocket science, but I don't know. I'm not very good at trying to explain it. But the key thing here is be careful with this, that when you adjust things that you don't, we'll send the machine out hopefully where you don't have to ever mess with this adjustment, but it's designed to adjust that magnet does not hit that sensor. Then you'll be needing a sensor board. So that's kind of the gist of how it works. You'll see when you open up your control panel, you're used to seeing it. If it's a new machine, we'll be there to install it and explain everything. If you're getting a retrofitted machine, when you open up the control panel on the tablet, you'll see the timing bar, and you can mess with it a little bit, just adjust it a little bit one way or the other, and watch what the molds do. So no more cam, no more adjusting this. And that's about it. Okay, thank you.